Good day everyone, I am Wilfred M. Caras, your Mathematics 4 teacher for today. Before we start our class, let us bow our heads and feel the presence of the Lord. O God Almighty, behold us thy loving children, offering thee today our works and studies. Help us, dear Lord, to be obedient to our teachers, kind to our companions, diligent to our studies, that we may merit the blessings for ourselves, our school, and our beloved country, the Philippines. Amen. Ayan, at magsisimula tayo sa pagsusolve at pagbibilang. Good day learners! Welcome to mathematics class. We are now in dividing 3 to 4 digit numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000 without and with remainder. What I need to know. In this module, you will be learning numbers by dividing it by 10, 100, and 1,000. Your past lessons in multiplying and dividing numbers with 1 to 2 digit divisors are necessary to understand the procedure. Moreover, your mastery in the division operation is a stepping stone to solve mathematical problems in higher mathematics. In going through this learning adventure, you are expected to divide 3 to 4 digit numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000 without and with remainder. What I know. Direction. Solve the following number sentence. Number 1, 3,960 divided by 10. Number 2, 5,940 divided by 1,000. Number 3, 7,000 divided by 1,000. Number 4, 900 divided by 100. Number 5, 7,850 divided by 10. Read and understand the questions. Encircle the letter of your choice. Number 1. How many tens are there in 4,550? A. 452. B. 455. C. 40. Number 2. How many 100s are there in 35,000? Letter A. 350. B. 30. C. 35. Number 3. How many 100 peso bill will be there in 98,750? A. 90. B. 98. C. 987. Number 4. How many 100s are there in 2,340? What will be the remainder? Letter A. 2 remainder 340. Letter B. 23 remainder 40. Letter C. 234 remainder 0. Number 5. If 4,584 is divided by 100, what will be the answer? Letter A. 45 remainder 84. Letter B. 458 remainder 4. Letter C. 4 remainder 584. Dividing numbers by 10, 100, and 1,000. What's in? Find the quotient of the following. Number 1, 238 divided by 2. Number 2, 570 divided by 10. Number 3, 49 divided by 7. And number 4, 54 divided by 9. Number 5, 750 divided by 15. What's new? How many 100s are there in 1,000? How many 10s are there in 1,000? Paano kaya natin sasagutin yan? Tara na't pag-aralan natin. What is it? A gymnasium that needs 7,000 chairs is being constructed for the city. If the chair will be arranged in 10 rows, how many chairs are there in a row? If these are to be arranged in 100 rows, how many chairs will be there in a row? about arranging the chairs in 1,000 rows, how many chairs will be there in a row? So what are we going to do? First is to compare the number of zeros in the dividend and divisor. Second, look at the number of zeros in the quotient. Third, compare the dividend and the quotient. And fourth, what pattern is formed? Okay, so para mas madali nating maintindihan, ganito lamang siya. Okay, this is the dividend and this is the divisor. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin, kapag mayroong isang zero dito, yan ay ating tatanggalin. Kung ilan ang tinanggal nating zero dito sa divisor, ganun din ang tatanggalin nating zero sa dividend. At pagkatapos nating matanggal ang zeros, atin nang i-divide. 700 divided by 1 is equal to 700. Tama ang ating answer. Next, ito ang ating dividend. Ang dividend natin ay 7,000 divided by 100. Madali lang yan. I-cross out natin ang 0 sa divisor. Kung ilan ang cross out natin na 0 sa divisor, ganun din ang i-cross out natin na 0 sa dividend. 1, 2. 70 divided by 1 is equal to 70. Tama. Next, dividend and then divisor. 7,000 divided by 1,000. I-cross out natin lahat ng zeros sa divisor. 1, 2, 3. Sa dividend, i-cross out natin lahat ng zeros. Kung ilan yung cross out nating zeros sa divisor, ganun din ang i-cross out nating zeros sa dividend. 1, 2, 3. 7 divided by 1 is equal to 7. Now you try. Number 1, 2,000 divided by 10. Number 2, 2,000 divided by 100. Number 3, 2,000 divided by 1,000. Paano naman kaya kung ang equation natin, ang kanyang dividend ay walang zero? Paano natin isosolve ang ating problem? Ganito lang yan. First, compare the number of zeros in the divisor and the number of digits in the remainder. How are they related? Okay, so para mas maunawaan ninyo, ganito ang ating gagawin. Okay, so 3,546 divided by 10. Paano kaya naging ang sagot ay 354 remainder 6? Since isa lamang ang 0 dito sa 10, ililipat lang natin yan. Mula dito hanggang dyan. Okay, dito natin ilalagay ang remainder. Kaya ang naging sagot ay 354 remainder 6. Paano naman kapag 100? Dalawang beses naman tayong maglilipat. Mula sa 6, 1, and then 2. Kaya ang naging sagot ay 35 remainder 46. Dalawa ang 0, kaya dalawang beses din tayo naglipat ng remainder. Next, 3,546 divided by 1,000. Ilan ang 0 ng 1,000? Tatlo, tama. Since tatlo ang remainder ng tatlo ang 0 ng 1,000, ililipat natin ang remainder ng tatlong beses. Magsisimula tayo dito. 1, 2, 3. Kaya ang sagot natin ay 3 remainder 546. Laging tatandaan kapag ang dividend natin ay walang 0, kung ilan ang 0 ng ating divisor, ganun lamang tayo maglilipat ng ilang beses. Kapag ang divisor natin ay 10, isang beses lamang tayo maglilipat. Pero kapag ang ating divisor ay dalawa ang kanyang 0, maglilipat tayo ng dalawang beses. Pero pag ang divisor naman natin ay may tatlong 0, maglilipat tayo ng tatlong beses. Ganun lamang kadali mga bata. You try again. Number 1, 7,392 divided by 10. Number 2, 7,392 divided by 100. And number 3, 7,392 divided by 1,000. What's more, complete the blank with the correct quotient. Number 1, 340 divided by 10. Number 2, 3,600 divided by 100. Number 3, 7,928 divided by 1,000. Number 4, 1,455 divided by 100. And number 5, 4,000 divided by 1,000. What I have learned. Fill in the blank with the correct answer. Number 1, 452 divided by 10 is equal to blank remainder 2. Number 2, 948 divided by blank is equal to 9 remainder 48. Number 3, 7,894 divided by 100 is equal to 78 blank. Number 4, 5,968 divided by 1,000 is equal to blank remainder 968. Number 5, 6,000 divided by blank is equal to 600. How do we divide numbers by 10, hundreds, and thousands? Points to remember. When dividing a number by 10, hundreds, and thousands, you can cancel or remove as many zeros in the dividend as there are in the divisor. The remaining digits in the dividend are the quotient. What I can do? Complete the table below. For our post-assessment, divide the following. Choose the letter of your choice. Number 1, 3,945 divided by 100. Letter A, 39 remainder 45. Letter B, 394 remainder 5. And letter C, 3 remainder 945. Number 2, 946 divided by 10. A, 9 remainder 46. B, 94 remainder 6. C, 946. Number 3, 6,845 divided by 1,000. A, 6 remainder 845. B, 68 remainder 45. D, 684 remainder 5. Number 4, 2,900 divided by 100. A, 2 remainder 900. B, 290. C, 29. Number 5, 6,500 divided by 1,000. A, 65. B, 6 remainder 500. C, 650. Read and understand the questions. Encircle the letter of your choice. Number 1. How many tens are there in 4,480? A, 448. B, 48. C, 40. Number 2. How many 1,000s are there in 28,000? A, 280. B, 20. Letter C, 28. Number 3. How many 100 peso bill will be there in 9,630? A, 93. B, 96. C, 90. Number 4. How many tens are there in 258? How much will be the remainder? A, 25 remainder 8. B, 2 remainder 58. C, 258 remainder 0. Number 5. If 6,385 is divided by 100, what will be the answer? A, 638 remainder 5. B, 63 remainder 85. And C, 6 remainder 385. Additional activities. Find the quotient. Number 1, 3,000 divided by 1,000. Number 2, 800 divided by 100. Number 3, 770 divided by 10. Number 4, 4,500 divided by 100. And number 5, 9,100 divided by 1,000. Number 6, the city mayor offer a summer job to all graduating students. They will receive 7,530 pesos salary for 10 days of working. How much is their salary per day? Number 7, Charlene baked 320 pieces of cookies. She wants to place it equally in 10 boxes. How many cookies should she place in each box? Number 8, the barangay captain initiates a raffle draw. He prepares 4,000 pieces of raffle tickets and plans to distribute it to 1,000 members of the barangay. How many tickets will each member may receive? Number 9. Militia harvested 600 kilograms of tomato from her farm. To keep the tomato fresh and free from damage, she decided to divide it into 100 small boxes. How many kilograms of tomato will she place in each box? Number 10. A private organization donated 380 boxes of disposable face masks to the barangay. It will be divided to 10 tapuruks in the barangay. How many boxes of disposable face masks will each purok receive? Honesty is the best policy. Bago mo tingnan ang mga key answers, kailangan na sagutan mo muna ang lahat ng mga activities. That's all for today, class. See you again. Bye!